guys, it is Yegor, and today I will show you a Lego knockoff that you shouldn't buy. You shouldn't buy this. You think first look like nice? First, they call Iron Man Iron Hero, maybe because of copyright issues. Superheroes maintain world. Next, I can't read because some people stick it up. Maybe it's better. Maybe we'll see there's something inappropriate. Maintain world peace. Fight for justice. Okay. Brand projects. Very interesting. Let's play together. It's the best gift for children. You maybe can't read, but I will just focus. Yeah. It's like really small text. And another photo of Iron Man. But they call him Iron Hero. Okay. First, the set came with those ones. I'll show you. I will look them already. And let's just put it there. Okay. Like this. Iron Man. Oh guys, now this one is the funniest one because this one, I will tell you, the background they taken it from a Lego, no, not Lego, just a movie, Iron Man 3, I think so. Is there are two Iron Mans and one is here, but it was picked up with the official Lego photo of Iron Man. I don't know from which set. There's actually I'll tell you the proof. Let's focus it. Yeah, you can see that over here it says Lego. So that means they take it from Lego. That's the proof. The next one is really, I think so. It's from a game. I don't know, or maybe it's a really bad game because why they do the photos? It's really worse. And over here, at least they say Iron Man. Wait, let's take it here. Iron Hero, Iron Man, Iron Hero, Iron Man. Do they don't even know how to name? Okay, guys, now you'll see. Okay, I got my Lego Iron Man character. This one is related, but in the set is related to Lego Iron Man 3, but I'll choose this one and this one. Find 10 differences from each other, real and fake. Write it in the comments. Okay, face. It looks like he saw something, and so his brains popped up. Yeah, maybe he see that people hate this project, and he's like, "Oh no! Why? It's the best gift for children, dude." No, it's not. Well, I am a child, and at least it's not a gift. I don't choose a gift. I've just bought it. The face it's took from real one, but the skin tone is a little bit darker. Yeah, it's kind of look like dark, and good that it don't have second face. I really hate minifigures with second faces because it makes like you can't put cap on his head because it will make like he have like two faces. Mutants. Okay, this is how the helmets look like. No, this helmet is from a real one. I will hold better in those hands. This helmet is fully made of gold plastic. Well, let's name it plastic. Maybe I wish it could not be something else. But this one is much better quality of the real Lego instead of this one. It also have something over here. Okay. Paint. Well, of course, paint is better than Lego because Lego always make good quality minifigures. The paint over here is much better, and over here sometimes it's rubbed off. And over here, you know why I put this one here? It doesn't mean to put it there. I put it there because it's like bad quality. So maybe this will hide the bad quality. You see, as they painted by their hands. Jesus. Okay. This is real one. Real one we will not talk about real one because real one, of course, everyone knows real one is better. Well, Mega Bloks also bad and it's also a copy of Lego. Okay, I will tell you one thing. You can buy it on your risk because this is really bad. Do not buy those. You watch Sandiago's channel and bye. Oh, bye.